Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt a quiet echo, a whisper from deep within yourself? It's a feeling that suggests there is more for you, more joy, more purpose, more peace. It's not a voice of discontent, it is a gentle invitation, a call to explore the vast potential that resides within your own heart. So often, we mistake this feeling for a problem to be solved. We think we need to chase a bigger job, a grander title. But what if this echo is simply asking us to turn inward? What if it is guiding us toward a different kind of success? One that is measured not by what we acquire, but by who we become in the process. This journey toward a winning mindset doesn't start with a dramatic leap. It begins with a quiet acknowledgement. It starts with a simple, honest admission that you are ready for a shift. This recognition is your true starting line. Let me tell you about a woman named Maria. She was a librarian in her late 40s. She had a quiet dream to run a marathon. The idea seemed impossible. She hadn't run in over 20 years. The finish line, 26.2 miles away, felt like it was on another planet. But then, a friend gave her some simple advice. Don't think about the marathon. Just think about putting on your running shoes and walking to the end of your street. That's it. That is your only goal for today. So she did one small step. The next day, she walked to the end of the street and back. A few days later, she jogged for 1 minute, then 2. She didn't focus on the marathon. She focused on the single achievable step in front of her. Success is not a destination you arrive at. It's a path you build, one paving stone at a time. It's about the next right step. Imagine your mind is a house. Over the years, without you even realizing it, some rooms may have fallen into disrepair. The walls might be covered in the wallpaper of old beliefs. I'm not good enough. A winning mindset asks us to become the architect of this inner house. It invites us to consciously redesign our mental space. Supportive, expansive, filled with light. We often believe that a winning mindset means we will never face another storm. But this is a misunderstanding. The storms will come. A true winning mindset is not about avoiding the rain. It is about learning to dance in it. Resilience is not the absence of struggle. Think of a strong, old tree. It does not stand rigid against the wind. Instead, it sways. It bends. Its roots hold firm, but its branches are flexible. But resilience invites us to breathe, to soften, to ask ourselves, what can I learn from this? In our quest for success, it is so easy to look at others and think, I should be like them. We see someone else's highlight reel on social media. We try to copy their habits. We try to copy their routines. This approach often leads to frustration and burnout, because we're following someone else's map. A winning mindset isn't imitation, it's authenticity. Discover your unique path. Find your true north. Your authentic self is your inner compass. It's the core beneath societal expectation and external pressure. It's your values, it's your passions, it's your strengths. Finding this compass requires quiet reflection. Tune out the noise. We live in a culture that glorifies the finish line. We celebrate the graduation. We celebrate the promotion. But in doing so, we often miss the music of the journey itself. A beautiful symphony is not just its final crashing crescendo. It is composed of thousands of individual notes. A truly sustainable winning mindset is built on noticing and celebrating these small daily notes. It is about acknowledging the symphony of small wins that make up our days. A small win can be anything. Choosing water instead of a sugary soda, holding your tongue in a moment of frustration, reading one page of a book. I encourage you to start a small wins journal. I made my bed this morning. I listened without interrupting. We have walked through the garden of the mind. We have seen how a marathon is run one step at a time. We have discovered the importance of our authentic compass and the quiet power of celebrating small wins. These are not just stories, they are principles. They are the gentle, practical tools that make up the art of winning. This art is available to you right now. This is your moment. You simply need to take one small, gentle step forward. What will your first step be? Unlock your purpose. The journey is the prize. Your transformation starts now.